We're out with the L-39 Albatros for the second flight. Had to fix up all the telemetry set up on the transmitter, which I'd messed up doing some changes at home before this. So that's all resolved. Landing seems to need about 25% throttle to maintain a good landing speed, so that'll give me an idea of what to aim for. Got all the weapons set up on it again, small tank pods, rocket pods, and the gun pod underneath, so flies alright. It definitely pulls down because of the drag under the wing from those, so it needed a fair bit of up trim to fly level.
Throttle active.
So we're ready for takeoff. Very nice day, very slight wind.
25.1 volts. 2.1.
Wind's actually coming from the right a bit. I should really turn to the right, but
Landing gear retracted. Flaps retracted. 22 volts. 100 amps. 220 milliamp hours.
we're back to 50% throttle.
22.6 volts. 59 amps.
That's too much, 59 amps, a bit fast.
21 milliamp hours.
Don't really like flying very far up that way after the Viper jet went out of control, and I'm not sure if it was a RF link problem or not.
762 milliamp hours. 1 minute.
It's pulled up into vertical from a, that medium sort of swing, or it's pulled off to the right by itself by a neutral stick, and it just swung off to the right.
1048.
Been doing that off that sort of loop thing, falling off to a side, or strong climbs where you loop over the top.
0.1 volts. 53 amps. 1284 milliamp hours. 22 volts. 53 amps.
Let's back off it. That's a nice speed. So 53 amps it's using.
Milliamp hours.
That's a nice sort of cruising around speed. I'm not sure what we're on now.
22 volts. 47.
47. That's still a good speed.
1736 milliamp hours. 2 minutes. 21.9 volts. 46.8 amps.
So let's look dead on 50% throttle stick
45
to get that 47 amps roughly. I think for a loop we would throttle up into the before entry, like through there. We just need speed. It's going over without slowing down so far. Back to half throttle.
52 milliamp hours. 21.7 volts.
It was good to wind it up a bit before going into it. If I fly in at my cruise speed like this, it really struggles by the time it's getting over the top of a nice sized loop.
21.8 volts. 42.2 amps. 1649 milliamp hours. 3 minutes. 21.8 volts.
I'm probably banking too steep because it drops a lot out of those turns. We'll try less bank. Well, if you wanted to hold exact altitude, you have to have a certain amount of bank. You just have to be very careful. The tires get too much angle and it just drops a lot. So.
Amps. 1001 milliamp hours.
Probably worth considering preparing to land.
21.7 volts. 38.9 amps. 1000.
We'll start with gear down, which takes the 3 seconds.
Landing gear deployed. 4
followed by
minutes.
landing flaps for a
Flaps
start.
stage 1, 21.
Once all that
0.6,
drag comes online, wheels,
36.
full flaps, you
0.5
pretty well need
amps.
to maintain
3,
50% throttle to cruise
1000,
around anyway.
300.
We'll go to full
42
flaps,
milliamp hours. Flaps
and as
set
I was saying
limit,
before, about
21,
25% throttle will probably land it nicely.
32.
Oh, I've got
0.8
it's slowing too
amps.
much. Just then. Just started to wobble the wings, it was looking a bit scary. So I go to 0 throttle
0.6 volts.
on the descent.
22.
Resume,
0.8
coming back up,
amps.
20-25%.
1,656 milliamp hours.
So I went back to about 25% throttle just so we could do the flare, keep the nose up.